Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate video in DaVinci Resolve. To quickly duplicate a single clip, select it on your timeline, then press Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac to copy. Next, move your playhead to the desired new location and press Ctrl-V or Command-V to paste. This simple action instantly creates an identical copy, allowing you to reuse footage efficiently without re-importing. This method is fundamental for rapid editing. When you need to duplicate a clip along with its applied effects, simply hold down the Alt key on Windows or Option key on Mac. While holding the key, click and drag the selected clip to your desired new position on the timeline. This action creates a direct copy, carrying over all attributes like color grades, transitions, and audio adjustments. It's an incredibly efficient way to maintain visual and auditory consistency across your project, saving you valuable time. For a more organized approach, especially when working with several synchronized clips, consider creating a compound clip. Select all the clips you wish to group together, then right-click on them and choose New Compound Clip. Once created, you can treat this single entity just like any other clip. Duplicating the compound clip, either by copy-pasting or alt-dragging, will reproduce the entire grouped sequence, maintaining all internal relationships. This keeps your timeline clean and manageable. Sometimes you need to duplicate an entire timeline to experiment with different edits, versions, or color grades. To do this, navigate to your media pool, locate the timeline you wish to duplicate, and right-click on it. From the context menu, select Duplicate Timeline. This creates a completely independent copy, allowing you to make significant changes without affecting your original work. It's an excellent strategy for a/B testing different creative directions for your video project, ensuring flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.